as I'm making my calls, I'm doing great with the raise your hand, doing great with some of the insights. It's when I'm getting into the conversations with people and we start going through the process and they tell me, hey, we're already using a GPS tracker. We've already got it set up with ABC company, whatever it is.
Yep.
I'm struggling with handling that. It's I guess not so much an exact objection, but it is a barrier that says, hey, you know what, we're good. We don't need this, carry on. So
yeah,
that's kind of one of the things I'm struggling with here.
It's hard for me to answer because I didn't hear what happened before. Now, let me tell you where, and I'm not saying they're not going to say we already have a GPS tracker vendor or whatever they're saying to you. If you go through this, what I'm saying is you have a more skillful exit if you slow down in the beginning. So if you slow down in the beginning and you talk about the problem, right? And let's say the problem is rental equipment getting legs, especially with retailers that are in Arizona, Texas, Southern California. You got a total of, I don't know, typically 3 hours to either recover that, isolate it before it crosses the southern border, never to be seen to again. Whatever the problem, how are you guys dealing with that? Right? Or let's say it's something being more efficient, or Chris with trying to get medical device sales into Japan or from Japan, whatever it is. If you're talking about the problem, and then you can say, how are you dealing with that? And they're like, man, yeah, it's been an issue for us. When you say it's been an issue for you, right? Can you give me a specific example? Well, we've got a GPS tracking company, but the reporting is off a little bit, or we're not able to do this, or we don't have communication with the vendor, and it has caused us to lose some units. When you say some units, can you give me a specific example of how much you guys are losing? The more you can monetize before you ever even talk about your solution, before you can talk about the problem, talk about their current situation and where they want to go, this is all money in the bank. This is all like ammunition in your arsenal for when they go, we're already working with somebody else. Because it's really hard for them to say, we're already working with somebody else if you haven't pitched what you're doing, right? Does that make sense? Like you're just talking about the problem. You're just having a conversation about the industry. And then when they say, we're already working with somebody else, then you can skillfully insert a net outcomes. Totally understand, hey, I will be here when you need to be absolutely positively sure that you're tracking the rental equipment and that you're not losing those 7 to 8 units every year like you're doing now to the cost of, 7 to 8 units. It's going to be a $350,000 to $450,000 per year in revenue going out the door. Fair enough, right? And it's like, well, crap. Yes, I do have a vendor, but they're not helping me with that. They never even brought that problem to my attention. So that's where you're being more skillful. Does that make sense?
When you finish watching this, I'm going to get you the closing mini masterclass totally free. It's normally $300. I'll pay for it. Click the link in my bio. I'll see you there.